Now I test library named password from Arduino side. I change few sketch, and I have yellow LED for push, red for wrong, and green for OK. Now I test one again, but I push more than correct. Look, then up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Star. It's okay. Wrong code. 1, 2, 3, 6. 6, yeah. Wrong.